Last year at this time, you could get an 8-foot 2x4 for roughly $2 to $250 a piece. Now they're anywhere from $8 to $10 a piece. Hey guys, Sean Bloomquist, Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification button so you're up to date on all the videos we release every Friday. Today I want to talk about the effects of COVID-19 on your rehab of your investment property. We all know that COVID-19 has done a number to the economy, to the housing market in different ways. And I just wanted to touch on a couple of things that have really stood out recently because of all of that and how it affects you as an investor when you're out looking at properties and putting together your numbers on each of these deals. We all know that last year when COVID was in full effect, we had a lot of work issues where even if you had a project going, you maybe were having a harder time getting contractors to show up or subs or things like that for fear of contracting the virus, or maybe they were sick with the virus, or maybe they just had other things going on where they weren't able to stay on top of your projects, which put delays on you as far as a work standpoint goes. As the year went on, we started to run into supply issues towards the end of the year, where if you ordered certain items, I know big ones that stood out were like trusses, if you were doing any type of new construction or remodels. I know that later in the year, some of the other items like electrical, plumbing, things like that were starting to become a little more in demand, and the supply wasn't there to keep up. So that was dragging out the projects for you. So it wasn't just your having trouble finding workers. Maybe once the workers started showing up, it was having trouble getting supplies, and that was causing delays in projects, which changes the entire scope of the project. You've got extra hold time, things like that. You may not getting the project on the market when you wanted to. Maybe it's later in the season, maybe it's during the winter when you were hoping to get it on in the summer or fall. So that drastically changes the way your project goes. The big thing I wanted to touch on today, though, that has really stood out recently is the cost of items now, especially lumber. If you're maybe a newer investor or even a seasoned investor, if you haven't had to put together any type of budgets recently and costs involved in them, if you've got any type of framing involved on your property, whether it's just using 2x4s, or if you're using laminated lumber for beams, or even if you're getting new roofs put on and you need sheathing for the roofing, those certain items have just gone through the roof. It's absolutely ridiculous how they are right now. Right before I made this video, I looked it up on Home Depot, right on my app on my phone, and a 8-foot 2x4, which is used in framing. Last year at this time, you could get an 8-foot 2x4 for roughly $2 to $250 a piece. Now they're anywhere from $8 to $10 a piece. So that drastically changes your overall budget if you've got any framing involved. If you're having roofs put on and you need new decking put down on the roof, a 7/16 sheet of 4x8 OSB plywood last year was probably around maybe $11 a sheet. It's now $44 to $45 a sheet. So these are drastic changes, and you need to be aware of those when you're putting together your budget, or at least be aware that when you get a bid from a contractor, it's probably going to be substantially higher because of those material costs going up like they are. So when you're in these properties and you're trying to figure out your numbers and you are using that to put together your offers, we all know you want to work backwards from the end, find that after repaired value, figure out your rehab budget and what it's going to take to fix that property up to get it to that value, to then figure out your offer price. If you're off on your rehab amounts because of this drastic change in lumber costs, that could completely change the entire deal. It could go from being a great deal to a terrible deal. If your rehab costs are going to end up costing 2 to 3 times more than you were thinking previously, that changes everything. So before you actually go out and look at these properties, brush up on the actual costs of some of these material things. So even if you're doing the work yourself, you know that, hey, we're going to be paying quite a bit more for some of these material items in order to get this deal done, even if we're not hiring it out to the professionals. So just be aware of that. Like I did, you can just jump right online, take a quick peek, go into the store, look around, see what things are costing now. I haven't noticed as big of an increase on some of the other things, but I do know that lumber is definitely one of those, boy, it stands out drastic right now, especially if you're doing new construction. That's going to change the complete numbers on a deal. So just make sure you're keeping up on things. As always, we're here to help you out, answer questions. If you have any questions, reach out to us at pinefinancialgroup.com, and we'll see you next Friday. Thanks.